Okay, let's talk about number 39 from 110. So you're really just trying to find the area of this rectangle, but it's enclosed in a semicircle. So you don't really know the distance. So what I did, I know that this point is x and then 0. And since it's enclosed in that semicircle, I know that whatever this point is negative x, 0. So what I started with is, could I find the length of, I'm going to draw this in red, of this line segment. And so I just did the distance formula. So the distance is going to be x minus a negative x. I'm going to square that. Plus, then I'm going to have, 0 minus 0, which is not going to matter. So I've got the distance equals, that looks like it's going to be 2x squared. The distance equals the square root of 4x squared. Now, since this is a distance, I can say that that distance is going to be 2x. So this is going to be 2x, which means that's going to be 2x. Then I did the same thing for this vertical line segment. I knew that I have a point here that's x comma y, and which makes this one a negative x comma y. So what I did is I found the distance of that line segment just by using the distance formula. So notice when I do x minus x, that's going to go away when I square that. And then y minus 0. So that's going to give me the square root of y squared. And since it's a distance, I can say that that distance is y, because I'm going to have a positive distance. So that's going to be y, and that's going to be y. So that'll help me do the area. So for part A, I was trying to do the area of the rectangle. And so you might start out with 2x times y. But it wants me to write my final answer in terms of x as a function of x. So if you look at the circle, it actually gives you what y equals. It's the square root of 4 minus x squared. So that's all I did, is plug in that y value. And I have now a function in terms of x. And that's my area function. That's really all you have to do. And then for part B, it's your perimeter. So you're going to do p of x. And you might start out with, just adding up the sides, right? 2x plus y plus 2x plus y, which is 4x plus 2y. And then my x is fine. It's my y that I just need to plug in. And I go back up to, what does my y equal? It's going to be the square root of 4 minus x squared. And you can stop there because you've written your function in terms of x.